Welcome to the second in our series of tips and tricks videos for the Applied Biosystems TrueMark MSI Analysis Software. In this short video, I'll cover how to set up default analysis and preference settings. For the purpose of this video, I'll be logged in as an administrator. First, I'll describe how to set up your default analysis settings. From the toolbar at the top of the screen, select Assay and then Analysis Settings. Starting with the default markers to include for reporting, you can use the checkboxes in the Include column to select or deselect markers you want or don't want to use in your analysis. When you click Save, anything selected will now be your default markers. On the right side of the screen, you can also adjust the overall call thresholds by dragging the blue arrows along the bar, or changing the percentages in the fields. When you click Save, these will now be your default settings. Lastly, you can adjust the minimum peak height by changing the number to anything above 200, and again, when you click Save, this will now be your default setting. You may reset to defaults at any time by going back into Assay, Analysis Settings, choosing Return to Defaults, then click Save. Next, I'll describe how to manage your default preferences for importing, reporting, exporting, security exporting, and archiving files. From the top of the screen, choose Tools and then Preferences. In the Client Locations tab, you can choose a default location for each. In the Server Locations tab, you can select a default location for saving and restoring your archived analysis batches. Click Apply to save any changes. You will see a notice that says your changes have been successfully applied. Click OK. You may reset to defaults at any time by choosing Return to Defaults and then click OK. And that concludes our video. There's even more to learn, so make sure to check out our other videos in this series about the TrueMark MSI Analysis Software.